Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Now, in a previous class, that means yesterday, we have started with this lesson number 2 of history, socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution. I hope you have read this lesson. Means till where we have completed yesterday. Have you read at home?
Ma'am.
Who all have read? Everybody has read this lesson. Everybody read the lesson till where I had explained you yesterday. Yes, dear. Swati.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you read the lesson? No? Beta, I'm telling you, like French Revolution, this lesson is also very much important. So, as I'm explaining the lesson, each page you yourself also had to read out yourself. When once I teach you this lesson, means one by one daily we are explaining. I am explaining this, and as soon as I am explaining, you have to read by yourself also. You have to go through the lesson
Okay.
itself also so that you understand it nicely. And wherever you are having any doubt, you can ask me the very next day. Otherwise, I am explaining, I am teaching you, and the next very next day again I will start with the next topic, and you will not be able to remember what was done previously, what happened means in the lesson the day we have read earlier. So I want everybody, after my explanation, whenever you are free after the classes, you please go through the lesson till at least not fully full lesson all at once, but at least where till I had explained you. जहाँ तक मैंने एक्सप्लेन करा है वहां तक तो कम से कम आप रोज पढ़िए ताकि आपको और अच्छे से समझ में आ जाए. एंड वेन एवर यू आर हैविंग डाउट यू कैन आस्क मी इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास ओनली. ओके सो we have started with this lesson number 2 of socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution. Now, in this, the first paragraph, what we have seen, what we have understood in the first paragraph,
That the powerful ideas of the freedom and equality are circulated in Europe after the French Revolution.
yes. So, very good. So, after the French Revolution, the ideas spread about the French Revolution. The ideas, which of the ideas were there? Ideas of freedom and
Socialism.
Freedom and equality, that is liberty and equality. The powerful ideas of liberty, or we can say freedom and equality, spread not only in Europe but all over the world, even in Europe and clear. So these all ideas of equality and freedom spread after the French Revolution. Previously, before the French Revolution, what was the structure of the society? What was the structure of the society, beta?
Ma'am, that the state is divided into three estates.
Yes, the estate, whole society in the French France was divided into three estates, and all were treated equally. All were treated equally. What was the difference between three estates? Main difference.
That first and second
Ma'am,
estate
third estate only
enjoyed the
paid tax.
privileges, and third estate only
Third,
paid
you have
taxes.
to pay taxes.
Very good. So you remember. Good. So only third estate was the estate who had to pay all the taxes, whereas first and second estate had to means were enjoying the privileges, which were they were thinking that they were getting those privileges by birth because they were born into that royal family, rich family, and even the church had the control over the power. So this was the structure of the society. But as the ideas of French Revolution, the ideas of freedom and equality circulated in Europe, what happened then? What happened then? Now all the individuals started discussing about the ideas, and they wanted to change the society. Yes or no? Now they also wanted to bring the
Yes.
change in the society. Now, in India, social reformers we have read about two names we have read.
Ma'am, Ram
Raja
Mohan
Ram
Roy
Mohan
and
Roy
Derek
and
Ray.
Derozio.
Very good.
Yes.
Ram Mohan Roy and Derozio. They
There
were
is
they spread the ideas of liberty and equality, freedom and equality here in India also. So whole world these ideas of freedom and equality were spreading, and people were misinformed or they were made aware about their freedom, and so this way people wanted to bring the change in their existing society. But in the next paragraph what we have read is that everyone was in favor for the transformation or for the change of the society. Everyone was in favor.
no,
No,
ma'am.
Yes, everyone was not in favor to bring the change in the society, to transform the society. Every means they were having different views, different thinking, and that is why the responses of these group of people had made means had made them into or separated them into different groups according to their views, according to their thoughts. So these people were means whole of the society, the people were divided into different groups. First radicals, then conservatives, and third group was liberals. So these three groups arose in the society after French Revolution about the conservatives, liberals, and radicals. These three were having their own viewpoint regarding the change of the society. Hope it is clear till here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what was the views of these three? Means what were the views, different views of the people? Just tell like that only. In common. In common, what were the views? They wanted to bring the change or not, or what were the views of the
they
people?
wanted to bring the change but gradually.
Few people wanted to. Few
To
people.
bring the change but
Uh,
gradually.
The change.
yes. Few people wanted to bring the change, but in a gradual way. Gradual way means slowly, slowly. They do not want it
Yes, ma'am.
to make a change in the society all of a sudden, but slowly, slowly. Second group of people were there who wanted to bring the change, but second
Ma'am,
group,
radical.
uh, radicals wanted to bring the change, but in a slow process. Conservatives were they who do not wanted to bring the change at all. Conservatives, as the word indicates, conservatives. You have also heard about the word conservatives. Conservatives बार बार सुना होगा आपने कहीं ना कहीं word. Who are conservatives, बेटा? Who are conservatives? Conservatives are the people who are stick to their own customs and traditions. In one sense, we can say they are orthodox people. वो अपने जो भी उनको वो ट्रेडिशन कस्टम ट्रेडिशन सोसाइटी में उनके चला आ रहा है दे डू नॉट वांट टू ब्रिंग द चेंज दे वांटेड टू बी स्टिक टू देयर ओन रूल्स रेगुलेशंस एंड देयर ओन लाइफ ओनली क्लियर सो दीज वर द कंजर्वेटिव्स कंजर्वेटिव्स वो थे जो चेंज नहीं लाना चाह रहे थे क्लियर एंड liberals wanted to bring the change but somewhere
In the
कहीं
gradual.
change लाना मांग रहे थे कहीं नहीं change लाना मांग रहे थे so these are the different views different responses regarding to bring the change in the society now another way we have seen that through the revolution in Russia socialism became one of the most important and powerful idea socialism means to bring the change in the society this idea became more important during the Russian Revolution. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, one by one, we will read about all these three viewpoints about liberals, radicals, and conservatives. We will mark also what were the viewpoints of these three groups in means separately. First, one of the group which looked to change society were liberals. So first group of people we will read about liberals. You can underline this. First group of people, liberals. Liberals wanted a nation which tolerated all religion. Now liberals were the people who wanted what? The nation which tolerated all religion. Nation which tolerated all religion means the nation who respected all religion, who had a respect for all religion. So this was the viewpoint of liberals. First viewpoint, that they wanted nation which had the respect of all religion. Clear first point about liberals? Then we should remember that at this time European states usually discriminated favor of one religion or another. Now we usually remember that at this time means when there was rule of a monarch. When there was rule of a monarch, at that time people were usually discriminated on the basis of religion. Like in Britain, favored the Church of England, Austria and Spain favored Catholic Church. So they were favoring, means previously they were given preference on the basis of religion. Some favored Catholic, some favored Protestant, some favored other religions. So at that time, European states usually discriminated among the religions. So first and foremost viewpoint of liberal was to bring the nation which tolerated all religions, to have the respect for all religion. Now liberals also opposed the uncontrolled power of dynastic rulers. Second, underline this is the second point of liberals. Second point of liberals, mark. They wanted to oppose the uncontrolled power of dynastic rulers. Uncontrolled power means at that time the rulers were very powerful. They were exercising many powers and no one was there to control their powers. So the second most important viewpoint of liberal was they were opposing the power of dynastic rulers. Dynastic rulers means those rulers who were ruling the dynasties, means one after another they were ruling, hereditary rule was there, and they wanted to safeguard the right of individual against government, and in this way they wanted to safeguard. Safeguard means protect the right of individual against the government. Clear? So this was the second viewpoint of liberals. First viewpoint, they wanted a nation which had a respect for all religion. Second, they wanted to have a control over the power of the rulers so that they can protect the individual rights against the government. I hope till here it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is they argued for a representative elective parliamentary government. So these liberals also asked for what? Representative elective parliamentary government, subject to laws interpreted by well-trained judiciary that was independent of rulers and officials. This will come under this only, that they were opposing the uncontrolled power of dynastic rulers. And in this way, they were arguing to get what? Representative parliamentary governments. Now, what type of representatives? Where the government is what? Elected. Where the government is elected or the representatives are chosen by the people. Clear? Where the representatives are chosen by the people and no power is given in the hands of the one particular individual. So they argued for the representative elected parliamentary government subject to laws. Subject to laws means there should be some laws, rules and regulations which everybody need to follow. Well-trained judiciary. Judiciary should be there that if in case anybody violates these laws, these rules and regulations, then the action can be taken against that particular individual. And that was independent of rulers and officials. This judiciary should be independent judiciary. It should not be under control of any ruler or any official. It should be independent so that the rules, the laws, the regulations can be framed by this judiciary according to the benefit of the people, not in favor of any particular person. I hope it is clear कि जुडिशरी होनी चाहिए जो कि रूल रेगुलेशंस बनाए और वो जुडिशरी इंडिपेंडेंट होनी चाहिए, किसी के अंडर में काम नहीं करनी चाहिए. अगर किसी के अंडर में काम करेगी तो व्हाट विल बी देयर? It will do the work for the benefit of that particular individual, ruler and all. So the judiciary should be made independent and laws should be made such a way that everybody should have to follow those laws. Clear? The next one more thing was that they wanted representative form of government and less power to the rulers. This was all the viewpoints of liberals. Clear? Now, however, they were not Democrats. They were asking for what? Representatives, elected parliamentary government, but they were not Democrats. They were not Democrats means they did not believe in universal adult franchise. Who did not believe in universal adult franchise? Who did not believe in universal adult franchise?
Democrat.
Liberals. Liberals did not believe in universal adult franchise. That means they were not Democrats. वो रिप्रेजेंटेशन की बात कर रहे थे, इलेक्टेड पार्लियामेंट्री गवर्नमेंट की बात कर रहे थे, but then also they were not considered to be the Democrats because they did not believe in universal adult franchise. Clear? That is right of every citizen to vote. Means the universal adult franchise what? Right to vote was given to everyone without the distinction of any caste, color, creed. But here these liberals wanted the representative parliamentary government, but they were not Democrats because they did not believe in universal adult franchise because they felt men of property mainly should have the vote. Why they were not Democrats? Because according to them, men of property were mainly having the power to vote. That means according to liberals, men of property should only be given the right to vote. And they also did not want to vote for women. Clear why they were not Democrats?
Yes, ma'am.
Liberals were not Democrats. They were asking for representative elected parliamentary government. वो चाह रहे थे कि representative form of government आए, but still they were not Democrats because they were not in favor of the vote for by everyone because they were giving preference to men of property. जिसके पास property है, जिसके पास land ownership है, वही vote करेगा. They were in favor of this line and they did not also wanted that the vote for women should not be there. Vote for women should not be there. That is why they are called as they were not Democrats. Clear, Delia? These were the views of liberals.
Liberal.
You can underline these. These were the views of liberals. You can write down here views of liberals. Views of liberals. So this was views of liberals. Then they wanted to safeguard. This was the third one. Then argued for the representative democracy, fourth. Then law interpreted well trained judiciary, fifth. And next, they were in favor of man of property to be to give the right to vote to men of property and were not in favor to vote for women. So all these were the views of liberals. You can write down here in one side, views of liberals. Now next, in contrast, radicals. Now coming to the next second viewpoint in the society was of radicals. Clear? Second was of radicals. Now, in contrast, radicals wanted a nation in which government was based on majority of country's population. Now, what was the viewpoint of radicals? This is the first point of radicals. They wanted a nation in which government was based on majority of country's population. Majority of country population was in favor of what type of people, what type of representation, that only will form the government. So these radicals were in favor of majority of countries population. जो ज्यादा से ज्यादा population yes कहेगी उसी के साथ चलना है. Second, many supported women suffragette movements. Now this is the second point of radicals. And for this you can write down views of radicals. Here, views of radicals. So many supported women suffragette movement. Now what does suffragette means? What does suffragette means? Suffragette means?
A movement.
to give women
movement
the right
means-
to vote.
Yes. Suffragette means it is a movement to give the women the right to vote. So they supported, radicals supported the women to get the right to vote. Here liberals were not in favor. Here radicals were in favor. Unlike liberals, they opposed the privileges of great landowners. Now, unlike liberals, they were also opposed the privileges of great landowners. That means they should not be giving the any privileges. That means man of property. यहाँ पर क्या था, मैन ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी को प्रिविलेज दिया गया टू राइट टू वोट. नाउ हियर दे अपोज द प्रिविलेज टू ग्रेट लैंड owners and wealthy factory owners. This is the third point. Radicals opposed privileges of great landowners and wealthy factory owners. Means इनको कोई particular privilege नहीं दिया जाना चाहिए according to radicals. Fourth, they were not against the existence of private property, but disliked concentration of property in the hands of few. Now, fourth important feature of view of radical was that they were not against the existence of private property. That means वो ये नहीं इसके अगेंस्ट में नहीं थे कि किसी के पास प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी होनी चाहिए. मीन्स वो ये चाहते थे कि यस इट इज ओके कि इफ एनीबडी इज हैविंग द प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी नो प्रॉब्लम, बट डिसलाइक कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी इन हैंड्स ऑफ फ्यू. बट वो किसके खिलाफ थे कि जो प्रॉपर्टी हो वो सिर्फ फ्यू के हैंड्स में ही हो, प्रॉपर्टी इन द हैंड्स ऑफ फ्यू. वो ये भी चाहते थे कि कोई बात नहीं, प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी को इंपॉर्टेंस देते थे वो, नो प्रॉब्लम. इफ मैन हैड वर्क ही विल हैव द ownership of private property, but on the other hand they dislike the concentration of property in the hands of few. Means वो ये भी नहीं चाहते थे कि जो प्रॉपर्टी है, जो ओनरशिप है वो सिर्फ कुछ ही लोगों के पास आए. ठीक है ना, वो इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी भी चाहते थे. So these were the radicals viewpoint, that first of all they wanted the nation which government was based on majority of the country's population. Second was what? They supported.
Many supported
Right for women to vote.
movement.
Yes. Third was
They
They oppose the privileges of great landowners and wealthy factory owners.
they opposed the privileges. Yeah, liberals were in favor of the privilege to so the privilege of man with property, that man of property will only give the vote. But here they oppose, radicals oppose the landowners and wealthy factory owners. Fourth,
They were not against the existence of
They were
private
not
property
against
but
the
disliked
existence of
concentration
private
of
property,
property in the
but
hands of
dislike
few.
concentration of property in hands of few.
yes, yes, they were not against the existence of private property. Private property हो सकती है, but they were not in favor of giving that particular property in the hands of only few. जिस जो भी काम कर रहा है सबका equal share होना चाहिए उस property में. So this were the viewpoints of radicals. Next, conservatives. This is the third viewpoint in the society which wanted to bring the change. That is conservatives. Conservatives now. Conservatives were opposed to radicals and liberals. Now these were the people who were opposing both liberals as well as radicals. After the French Revolution, however, even conservatives had opened their minds to the need for change. Now, what happened here? Conservatives were opposing both radicals also and liberals also. But after the French Revolution, however, these conservatives had opened their mind and thought that there should be little bit changes needed in the society. Now conservatives also favored that previously they were opposed to bring the changes, but now after the French Revolution, their minds were open and they also thought to bring the change which they thought that it is now necessary to bring the change in the society. Earlier in the 18th century, conservatives had been gradually opposed to the idea of change. Now in the 18th century, what was the ideas of conservatives? Orthodox people वो सोसाइटी में चेंज नहीं लाना चाहते थे. In the 18th century, these conservatives were not at all favor to bring the change in the society. But by the 19th century, they accepted that some change was inevitable, but believed that the past had to be respected and change had to be brought about through the slow process. Now, here what happens? The conservatives are generally opposed to the idea of change. This previously in the 18th century they were opposing. This is the first point of conservatives that in the 18th century they were totally opposing. Second, 19th century they accepted that there is the need to bring the change which is inevitable means जिसको अवॉइड नहीं कर किया जा सकता ऐसा चेंज लाना जरूरी हो गया है सोसाइटी में कि हम उसको लाना ही पड़ेगा उसके अलावा और कोई वे नहीं है बट उनका ये भी मानना था कि दैट पास्ट हैड टू बी रिस्पेक्टेड जो उनका पास्ट है उसके लिए रिस्पेक्ट है एंड चेंज हैड टू बी ब्रॉट अबाउट थ्रू अ स्लो प्रोसेस नाउ द चेंज शुड बी ब्रॉट बट थ्रू अ slow process. This was the third viewpoint. So what was the viewpoint of conservatives? In the 18th century, what was the viewpoint?
That there will be no change in the society.
Conservatives have been generally opposed to the idea of change.
Yes, they do not wanted to the change at all. Then by the 19th century, what was there?
They accepted that some changes were inevitable, but believed that the past had to be respected, change had to be brought about
The
through
past
slow
had to
process.
be respected and change had to be brought about through a slow process.
Yes, by the 19th century, now they had the mindset that yes, some changes are very much necessary. They are inevitable. कि हम उसको मना नहीं कर सकते. That had to be brought in the society. But with that, they also had the firm faith that their past should be respected. उनका past जो है उसकी respect नहीं avoid किया जाना चाहिए. It should be respected. The past should be respected, and whatever changes are inevitable, which had to be brought in the society, but it should be brought in the slow process. धीरे धीरे ताकि ज्यादा उनके past को क्या ना हो हार्म नहीं हो उनकी रिस्पेक्ट को हार्म नहीं हो. क्लियर? The three ideas. Such differing ideas about societal
Yes, ma'am.
change clashed during the social and political turmoil that followed the French Revolution. Now, these were the different types of ideas about society changes which were clashing, which एक दूसरे से वो क्लैश कर रहे थे. आइडियाज वर डिफरेंट. अगर एक दूसरे का आप व्यू पॉइंट नहीं मानते तो क्या होता है? डिबेट शुरू हो जाता है, आप अपोजिंग करना शुरू कर देते हैं. सो दिस वाज द पॉलिटिकल टर्मोइल. Political turmoil means political disturbance that was followed by the French Revolution. French Revolution के बाद इस टाइप का ये political disturbances society में viewpoints के through होने लगा. The various attempts at revolution and national transformation in the 19th century helped define both the limits and potential of the political tendency. Now the various attempts at the revolution, जो revolution Russian revolution में जितने भी attempts हुए, the national transformation in the 19th century, उसने क्या help किया? To limit the powers of the powers of the monarch and potential of these political tendencies. ये जो political disturbances हो रहे थे उसको स्टॉप करने का कोशिश हुआ. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope.
Yes, ma'am.
And here you can write down viewpoints of conservatives also, है ना? So that whenever you will open the, you will in front it will be there that here this is the liberals, radicals and conservatives viewpoints. Now read till here where I had explained you.
Yes, ma'am.
Next time I will ask you about the different views
Okay, ma'am.
particularly.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, beta. Alfia,
Thank you.
understand now? Alfia, समझ में आ रहा है? Alfia, Almas, Anshika, are you all able to follow?
Yes.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, wherever you are having doubt in any paragraph, any line or any word, you can personally call also or you can ask me in the next class also. Clear? But first for that, you have to read the lesson yourself. आप अपने आप से lesson पढ़ोगे then only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Acha, one more thing. Yesterday I had put geography question answers on the student portal. Have you seen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Plus, in the, listen. Plus in the notes, map work is also there. Plus in the notes, map work is also there. You can check the map work. 3 India political map is there. You can mark those map also, and you have to paste those map in the notebook after the completion of question answers. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.